Learn how to make banana bread very easy. And just like famous restaurants. For this recipe we will need 4 large bananas. I'll be cutting them at the end like this, and then cut in half. I'll be peeling that way, very easy. And very practical. Now I will be repeating this same process with the other bananas. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. It is a great accompaniment for lunch or dinner. So if you do, I'm sure you'll love it because it's very easy. And it's delicious. Now in a container, I will crack an egg. Add a spoon of cornstarch. And I'll be beating it really well with a fork. And people are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? That I will send a super special hug to everyone who is commenting. In a container, I will add some wheat flour. And in another container, I will add some breadcrumbs. And I'll be breading our bananas like this. Passing in the wheat flour. Then passing my beaten eggs. And then in breadcrumbs. Very easy, very practical to bread. Now just book and repeat the same process with the other bananas. And today, I send a special big hug to Helen Davis from Arizona, USA. Thank you very much for always commenting on my videos. I thank you immensely. I'm going to add a lot of oil in a skillet. And when that oil is very hot, I'll be adding the bananas. When it's ready on one side, just flip it over and fry the other side too. Ready. It took a few minutes. Now it's ready. It's very fast and very easy. And our recipe was ready, and it was super delicious. You saw that it is very easy to do. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.